Humans have been creating statues since the beginning of civilization, whether they were intended to deter predators, frighten off invaders, worship a deity, or symbolize unity. However, the statues in today's video stand out from the rest in a significant way because they are the top 10 tallest statues in the world. Please subscribe our channel Top 10 Talk and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Number 10. Motherland Calls. The Motherland Calls is the main focus of the monument complex in Volgograd, Russia. It was crowned the world's tallest statue in 1967 and stands 85 meters from the tip of its sword to the top of the plinth. Although it comes in at number 10 on our list, it is still the tallest statue in Europe and the tallest statue of a woman in the entire world. This statue depicts the motherland, which exhorts its children to fight against the enemy and defend their honors. Number 9. Hokkaido Kannon. The third tallest statue in Japan and ninth tallest statue in the world was built between 1975 and 1989. And when it opened in 1989, it was thought to be the world's tallest statue at 88 meters. It held the record until 1991. Number 8. The Big Buddha. The tallest statue in Thailand, the second tallest in Southeast Asia, and the seventh tallest in the world is known as the Greatest Buddha of Thailand. It was built between 1990 and 2008 in the Wat Wong Temple in an unnamed province, and it stands at 92 meters. It is made of concrete and is painted gold. Number 7. Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty, a copper statue that stands 93 meters tall and is located in New York City, is the seventh tallest statue in the world and was given as a gift by the French to the Americans on October 28, 1886. Number 6. Nanshan Guanyin. The Kisha Guanyin, which stands an impressive 99 meters tall, is the sixth tallest statue in the world and the fourth tallest in China. The local government spent 260 million neurons to complete the statue's construction in 2009. Number 5. Sandai Daikannon. At 100 meters, it is the tallest statue of Noreen Kannon in the world and the tallest statue of a goddess in Japan as of 2019. When it was finished in 1991, it was the tallest statue in the world, but 4 other statues have since surpassed it. Number 4. Ushiku dai-butsu. Ushiku dai-butsu is a 1993 completed statue that stands a total of 120 meters tall. From 1993 to 2002, it held the record for the tallest statue in the world. As of 2019, it is currently the 4th tallest statue in the world. Number 3. Laykyun Sekkya. As of 2019, the Laykyun Sekkya Buddha stands 160 meters tall, making it the 3rd tallest statue in the world. Its construction in Myanmar started in 1996 and was finished on February 21, 2008. Burma didn't unveil its massive work of art to the general public until 2008. When compared to this massive architectural work that rose to a height of 424 feet, the Laykyun Sekkya which represents a Gautama Buddha and was made in honor of the nation's deity and creed, the Laykyun Sekkya, a monumental statue that could only have been made with the help of donations from the local population, is insignificant. This statue has become one of the most popular tourist destinations in this nation because there are 97 floors hidden inside that can be explored. Number 2. Spring Temple Buddha. In reality, a statue of the Buddha is the second tallest structure in the world. The Spring Temple Buddha, which took 11 years to build from 1997 to 2008, is located in the township of Laykyun in the county of Laykyun in the Chinese province of Hainan. The statue's name comes from the nearby Tianri hot spring, which is said to have restored some nearby properties. The Spring Temple Buddha shows the Vairocana Buddha, who is frequently mistaken for the Gautama Buddha, the figure that most Westerners Number 1. Statue of Unity. It took $430 million to build the world's tallest statue, which was unveiled last week in Gujarat, a western Indian state. At 597 feet, the sculpture is nearly twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty. Dubbed the Statue of Unity, the enormous new statue honors Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the country's first deputy prime minister and the architect of India's independence. Thanks for watching. Tell us in comments which statue seems wonderful to you and why, and don't forget to subscribe to Top 10 Talks for more interesting videos.